The BMW Concept XM sees BMW M GmbH forging a distinctive path in the luxury segment. The car's exterior majors on presence and extrovert appeal. Inside the car, a special take on the driver-focused cockpit for which M models are renowned meets an all-new rear compartment design, with its high-comfort seats and illuminated, sculptural headliner. The M Lounge offers passengers a luxurious retreat. The design of the BMW Concept XM is an extravagant statement by BMW M in the heart of the luxury segment, says Domagoj Dukec, head of BMW Design. It has a unique identity and embodies an expressive lifestyle like no other model in the BMW lineup. The BMW Concept XM debuts the new, progressive front-end design for BMW's luxury class models, a version of which will be seen for the first time in 2022 as part of the BMW model offensive in the luxury segment. The headlights have been split into two separate modules, a new design feature which creates a visually arresting appearance. The daytime driving light signature eye and the sharply styled, slim upper module is particularly eye-catching. The horizontal kidney grille sits boldly between the headlights and tapers towards the outer edges, producing a near-octagonal outline that emphasizes the front end's dynamic character. The black kidney grille elements are enclosed within an intricate surround and appear almost to be floating freely within a high-gloss black surface. M-style double bars within the grille add to the perception of width. Eye-catching contour lighting sets off the grille to fine effect, ensuring the striking composition of kidneys and daytime driving lights is immediately recognizable in the dark as well. The new XM logo in the kidney grille and the large air intakes hint at the power of the V8 engine, which teams up with the electric motor to form the M hybrid system. The glasshouse of the BMW Concept XM rises up vertically, accentuating the front end's strong, imposing feel. The color of the roof contrasts with the black finish of the A-pillars. The windscreen seems to have an even heavier rake as a result, injecting modern dynamism into the front end. Slim LED searchlights have been incorporated into the roof above the A-pillars. The boldly sculpted bonnet extends the contours of the kidney grille back in the form of two power domes. A pair of air intakes in the bonnet mimic the appearance of the LED searchlights in the roof and add extra dynamic flair. Framing the statuesque body at its lower edge are the clean-cut black surfaces of the front apron. Triangular body-colored blades at the outer edges accentuate the vertical air intakes while emphasizing the sporty and robust stance of the BMW Concept XM. The powerful and heavily contoured proportions of the BMW Concept XM highlight the car's resolutely standalone identity and draw the eye to the coupe-like character of the body. The visually striking front end, long bonnet, and stretched, sloping roofline present a characterful two-box design with a distinctive outline. The window graphic narrows significantly as it approaches the rear, enriching the dynamism of the side view.